I'm here at the park where I come daily. I see today there is flood-like situation. There was flash flood warning yesterday, and here we are. We are seeing flood-like situation here. Americans are adventurous. They like adventure sports. I just met with a college student who was canoeing in this water flow. He said whenever it floods, then it's ideal for canoeing, but we find it risky. We can see a pipe here that is causing vortex-like situation. When I spoke with canoer, he said we should avoid such spots and we have to be very precautious. You have to be very adventurous and brave to canoe in such a water flow. It's very risky.